Want a quality subwoofer, but you're short on space? Kicker has the perfect product for you, next on Black Edition. Hi, I'm Layman with Black Edition. If you want any kind of quality sound out of your car stereo, you need a subwoofer. You just do. Unfortunately, with a lot of cars today, space tends to be at a premium, and traditional subs can take up a lot of space. Thankfully, Kicker has the solution with their Hideaway HS10. The HS10 is a compact-powered 10-inch subwoofer that is basically an upgraded version of their extremely popular Hideaway HS8. Kicker managed to upgrade and somehow able to cram a bigger, better sub into the same tough, all-aluminum casing. The only major difference in size is that the HS10 is a whopping 2 millimeters taller. Size wasn't the only improvement from the old version. Kicker also upped the amplifier from 150 watt to 180. While that might not seem like a whole lot, but in a sub this compact, every little bit helps. The HS10 also features Fit Plus, which stands for Fail-Safe Integration Technology Plus. This allows the Hideaway to accept input signals from 0.25 volts up to 40 volts. It also makes it fully compatible with newer vehicles that use the push-button start. Kicker designed the HS10 to be as easy of an install as possible. The included Molex plug and harness comes with crimp connectors to make wiring just a little bit easier. Now, there's nothing more frustrating than going through the painful wiring process only to find out it's not compatible with your setup. So, to make sure the Hideaway can integrate into any vehicle, it features high and low inputs, which allows it to work with almost any factory or aftermarket head unit. The controls on the side are pretty straightforward and simple to adjust, but I do want to point out the automatic turn-on. As you can see, there are two options. The 12 volt is if you want to use a remote turn-on. If that's not available, then you want to use the DC offset. Kicker also included a remote base control so you can control the output level from your seat. There is included bracket and cable so you can mount it almost anywhere you choose. The beauty of the Hideaway is that it can fit in so many places in a vehicle. Under a seat, in the back, in the trunk, you name it. Is it going to give you the glass rattling bass from a block away? No, but it will provide a much better bass than any factory setup could and greatly improve the listening experience in your vehicle as a whole. This is the perfect sub if you have a good factory system, but it's just lacking the depth and sound. The HS10 will give you that full range and greatly reduce distortion without having to upgrade your entire system. The Hideaway HS10 is a great subwoofer for any car or truck, especially for compacts and pickups where there's not a lot of room to begin with. But the group I recommend this the most for has got to be the Jeep owners. It's the perfect size, and its solid aluminum construction sure can take a beating out on the trail. If you're interested in the HS10 for your vehicle, make sure you go to our website, blackedition.cc.